Ishan here, and today I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide fractions. So we already have the multiplying fractions model up here. So I'm going to first explain this. So the first step we have here is this right here. We're lining up our two fractions, 3/6 and 2/8, which is what I'm going to use to demonstrate. And we just put a multiplication sign here and here. Our second step is to just cross multiply them. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. And our product for both of these is 6 and 48. But we still have one step left, and that's simplifying. So I took 6 and 48. 6 can be divided by 2. 48 can be divided by 2. So we divided that. But 3 is a prime number, so we can't go any further. Our answer is 3 24ths. So that's a skim over on how we multiply fractions. It's fairly straightforward. To divide fractions, it's fairly straightforward again, and there's a method that we use. It's keep, change, flip. So I've set up my division equation, and let me just finish the sign. And now what we're going to do is we're going to keep this fraction as it is, flip the division sign to a multiplication sign, or change the division sign, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip this fraction. So the 2 becomes a 6, and this becomes a 2. And we can just X this out for now, because I don't have an eraser that erases the background too. So now we've got 3/8 times 6/2, and I can take the time to rewrite that right here. Never mind, I'm not going to rewrite that. Sorry. Anyway, so we've got 3/8 times 6/2. We're just going to multiply like we learned last time. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. And 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So we've got our problem here. And we have come up with 18/16 as our answer. With keeping this fraction, flip, changing this, and flipping the fraction around. So now our only goal is to simplify. So I'm going to take all of this out. And what's one thing that both of these are divisible by? Well, 6, believe it or not. So until I get back into mode here, I'm going to change this to a 9. And this to an 8. We've got 9/8. Unfortunately, though, 9 is only divisible by 3 as a composite number. And 8 is divisible by 4 and everything. So 9/8 is the best we've got. But we can change it to a mixed number, which is 1/1/8. So I hope that explains how to work with fractions now. Our answer is 1/1/8, and that's how you divide fractions. Keep, flip, and change.